Let's pull back the curtain on the Canon EOS R9 whispers, shall we? Forget the bland spec sheets. We're diving into the feeling of this camera, the potential it holds to reshape the mid-tier full-frame landscape. Canon's playing coy, but the rumors? They're painting a vivid picture, a symphony of features that could resonate deeply with creators. Imagine a camera that captures the soul of the EOS RP, that beloved gateway to full frame, but supercharges it with modern muscle. A device that bridges the gap between enthusiast and pro, offering a tantalizing blend of high-end capabilities and a price that doesn't demand a second mortgage. At its core, a 33-megapixel full-frame sensor. Think of it as a canvas, a vast expanse for your creative vision. It's not just about megapixels, it's about the depth they bring. The way light dances across each pixel, capturing the nuances of a twilight sky, the subtle textures of a weathered face. Imagine the feeling of capturing a moment, knowing that every detail, every subtle shift in light and shadow is preserved with breathtaking clarity. But a sensor alone is a silent instrument. The conductor is the autofocus, and the EOS R9 is rumored to wield Canon's dual-pixel autofocus too. It's not just about locking focus, it's about anticipating the moment. The way it tracks a hummingbird's erratic flight, the fleeting expressions on a street performer's face, the relentless motion of a sports car weaving through a track. It's about capturing the essence of movement, freezing time with unwavering precision. And then there's video, the language of modern storytelling. 4K at 30 FPS, uncropped. Think cinematic vistas, the sweeping grandeur of a landscape, the intimate connection of a close-up. And slow motion? 4K at 60 FPS, 1080p at 120 FPS. Imagine the drama of a raindrop shattering on a window pane, the poetry of a dancer's leap, the raw energy of a breaking wave. This camera isn't just capturing video, it's capturing emotion. Burst shooting at 30 FPS? It's not just about capturing a sequence, it's about capturing the decisive moment. The instant a sprinter crosses the finish line, the precise moment a bird takes flight, the apex of a surfer's ride. It's about freezing time, capturing the unrepeatable. Low light performance? It's not just about capturing an image, it's about capturing the atmosphere. The soft glow of a city at night, the intimate warmth of a candlelit dinner, the ethereal beauty of a star-filled sky. It's about capturing the feeling of a place, the mood of a moment. And it's not just about specs, it's about the experience. The high-resolution EVF, the fully articulating touchscreen, the seamless integration with RF and EF lenses. It's about creating a camera that feels like an extension of your hand, a tool that empowers your creativity. Connectivity? It's not just about transferring files, it's about sharing your vision. The built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, the seamless integration with modern workflows. It's about connecting with your audience, sharing your stories with the world. Market positioning. This is where Canon's playing a delicate dance, a price range between $999 and $2,000. It's about offering a camera that's accessible to enthusiasts, yet powerful enough for professionals. It's about finding that sweet spot, that perfect balance between price and performance. The competition? It's fierce. The Nikon Z5, the Sony a7 III, the Panasonic S5 Mark II. But the EOS R9, with its rumored specs, could be a disruptor, a camera that redefines expectations. And the extras? In-body image stabilization, an improved battery system, enhanced weather sealing. It's about creating a camera that's not just powerful, but reliable, a tool that can withstand the rigors of real-world shooting. Release date? 2025. It's a long wait, but if the rumors are true, it could be worth it. This camera isn't just about capturing images, it's about capturing moments, emotions, stories. Today, we're diving into some serious Canon rumors. We're talking about a potential game changer, the EOS R1X, a camera that's whispered to be addressing the perceived shortcomings of the EOS R1. And let me tell you, these leaks are, well, they're insane. We're here to break down the latest camera buzz, and today it's all about Canon. We're talking about a camera that could redefine what a flagship mirrorless can be. So let's get into it. First up, design. Now, don't expect anything too radical. Canon's likely sticking with the R1's design language. It got good feedback for its ergonomics and build quality, so why mess with a winning formula? We're talking robust weather sealing, familiar controls, maybe that customizable smart controller, and that 9.44 million dot OLED viewfinder? Yeah, that's probably sticking around too. It's all about familiarity and refinement. But here's where things get wild. The sensor. We're hearing 80 megapixels? 80. And get this, a potential global shutter. That's unheard of in a full-frame camera. This combo would be a game changer for photographers who need insane detail and flexibility. We're also hearing about advanced AI capabilities, improved dynamic range, and even built-in ND filters. If these rumors are true, the R1X could be a powerhouse, outperforming the competition in resolution and cutting-edge features. Image and video performance? Let's talk about it. That 80 megapixel sensor? That's a huge jump from the R1's 24 megapixels. We're talking stunning detail and greater cropping flexibility. And finally, an 8K video. That's right, 8K. Addressing another major complaint about the R1. And if those rumors about improved dynamic range and a global shutter are true, we're talking superior performance in challenging lighting and when capturing fast-moving subjects. This is the flagship performance many felt the R1 was missing. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, pricing. Given these rumored specs, it's safe to say the R1X won't be cheap. We're probably looking at a price tag that exceeds the R1's $6,299. This is a camera for professionals who demand the best. And the release date? Early rumors suggest a development announcement in mid-2025, with the camera hitting shelves a few months later. But these are just rumors, folks. The R1X is shaping up to be an exciting camera. If the rumors are true, it could be the true flagship many have been waiting for. That 80 megapixel sensor, 8K video, global shutter, it's all very impressive. And it could position Canon at the forefront of professional camera technology. But remember, these are just rumors. We'll have to wait and see what Canon officially announces. But if even half of these leaks are true, the R1X could be a game changer. What do you guys think? Are you excited for the Canon EOS R1X? Do you think it's going to live up to the hype? Let us know in the comments.